Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing wherever you are in the world. This is your extended love reading for January 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. So, I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. But if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition. I don't read reversals, and gender is not specific here. So let's start your extended love reading. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. And thank you so much for giving me lots of love to the channel, okay, and for commenting me beautiful things. And you can have your main reading video also, okay, have a look on that too. I have already uploaded your main reading in which I told you that you are getting awakened. Okay, use your intuitions are guiding you very much, so use your intuitions. And you are holding back a lot, holding on so tightly, so you have to release something which on which you are holding a lot. So let's start your clarification. There is someone who is rushing towards you to give you Ace of Cups. Okay, a cup which is full of emotions, emotional fulfillment is coming towards you. And there is a sun. After spending sleepless nights, some of you Aquarius can't sleep at night, you're spending your sleepless nights, but the sun is coming for you. Okay, there are new happy beginnings which are coming for you in your life. New beginning in love, new beginning in everything in your life is coming here, because the sun is the happiest card in the tarot deck. And there is 9 of swords and there is 10 of swords here. You have to keep your temperance with you, Aquarius. Temperance and strength. You have to keep your temperance and strength. Keep your patience with yourself. Keep your strength with yourself. Why I'm saying that? Because success is coming towards you. Success, recognition, victory is coming towards you. You will get succeed whatever the situation is. Maybe there are some conflicts which are there around you, because here I'm having the 5 of swords. But there is someone around you who is coming at a very slow pace. Maybe some of you Aquarius can't be able to see right now, but there is someone who is coming towards you to give you the Ace of Wands. Okay, Ace of Wands is passionate new beginnings. Okay, they are coming towards you. And I'm having the Star, the 3 of Pentacle, the 7 of Swords, the 5 of Wands, the Queen of Wands, the 7 of Cups, and Queen of Cups. So either this is your energy, but I'm getting this is your energy. You are having more options to choose in your life. Maybe some of you Aquarius are exploring options. Okay, but there are some conflicts, drama, fighting which is going on around you. And there is 7 of Swords energy. That means lying, cheating, manipulation is going on for you. Either you are doing it or other person is doing it. So let me see what are the clarifications of this card. Let's start your clarification. Clarify me 4 of Pentacle. Why there is 4 of Pentacle? Bottom of the deck again I'm having 9 of Swords. Okay, Magician, Hangman, and King of Swords. How can you manifest? You are manifesting something with the energy of Hangman. See, again the Hangman has come here. I was taking the clarification of 4 of Pentacles. You're feeling like an hangman, and you know you are emotionally not available, Aquarius. You are emotionally very detached. Okay, you are emotionally very detached, but you are doing some kind of manifestation. You're spending sleepless nights here. The 9 of Swords is here. You're spending sleepless nights. You're feeling like an hangman, but you are manifesting something. Let me see more. Release this energy as soon as possible. Clarify me, Queen of Pentacle. the star, the page of pentacle, and the sun. Bottom of the deck, I'm having the empress. Beautiful reading, Aquarius. The star again has come for you. This is you. The queen of pentacle is you. Okay, the star and the star is here. Okay, the sun is here again for you. Lot of happy new beginnings are coming for you. Can you see how bright light is here? New happy beginnings are coming for you. You are hoping for new hopes, new desire, wishing upon the star, and you're getting it. You're getting new beginnings in your life. Maybe right now some of your queries maybe receive some kind of small message or small offer. Not a message, a small offer. Clarify me, Ace of Cups. Clarify Ace of Cups. Why there is Ace of Cups? Too many cards. Clarify Ace of Cups. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Ace of Wands again. Three of Pentacles, Seven of Swords, the World card. You're completing a cycle. There is a World card, there is a Three of Pentacles, and there is Seven of Swords here. Maybe there is a third party situation which was going on for you, and there was some lying, cheating, manipulation which was there. Seven of Wands, Ace of Wands, bottom of the deck. Maybe there is someone who is trying to give you some kind of passionate new beginning, but your defenses are too much high. You're protecting your aura. You are not in a mood to accept that. You are not opening up, basically. Okay, there is a World card here. Completing a cycle. There is a completion of a cycle. A new cycle is getting start for you. Why there is Knight of Swords? Who is rushing towards my Aquarius? Please clarify me, Knight of Swords. Clarify me, Knight of Swords. Too many cards again. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Six of Swords. You're coming towards the calmer waters. Do not worry at all. See, Four of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, Nine of Cup, Knight of Cup, Queen of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles. Okay. There is some offer which is, this is you, Aquarius, again the Queen of Pentacle and Nine of Pentacle. You are enjoying your singlehood, basically. You are not, this is a kind of reading. Today's reading is like that maybe you are financially stable, grounded, very independent energy. This Queen of Pentacle is an independent woman, basically. Okay, independent feminine who is single, enjoying their singlehood, and you know that you are abundant of everything. Okay, you are abundant of everything and you are enjoying your singlehood, but there is someone around you who is trying to give you Ace of Pentacles, and either you are the wish fulfillment for them or they are the wish fulfillment for you. Okay, there is a Nine of Cup here, but you are holding back from them. Can you see? There is Four of Pentacle again. You are holding back from them. You are not opening up. You are not giving them any kind of energy. Okay, you are not opening up. There is a Four of Pentacle here. They are trying to give you some kind of, then there are three aces in today's reading. Ace of Pentacle, Ace of Cup. Maybe they're giving you some kind of stable committed offer, but you are holding back from them. You are holding back from them. Then this is very romantic love, loyal love, which is trying to give you some kind of commitment, some kind of stability, but you are enjoying your singlehood and you are not in a mood. Can you see? You are saying that I'm happy enjoying my singlehood. You are not opening up, basically. You are holding too tightly on something which does not serve your highest good. Clarify me the Sun. Clarify me the Sun. Why there is Sun? Again, bottom of the deck, I'm having the Tower, and here also I was having the Tower. Divine intervention. Okay, this is divine intervention. Divine is intervening in your life. Okay, there are some unexpected changes which are coming for you. And Eight of Pentacle, Queen of Swords. Here I'm having King of Swords. There is a pair here. Okay, there is someone who is your pair here. They're trying to give you the sun. Maybe they are putting lots of efforts, time, energy, love, okay, into your relationship, or they want to put lots of efforts, time, energy in your relationship. And this is the more of an air energy, because I'm having Queen of Swords and King of Swords, both are here. Can you clarify me why there is Six of Wands? Why there is Six of Wands? Please help me out to clarify. Six of Wands is clarified by Six of Wands. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Two of Wands. You were at the crossroads, Aquarius, but you were unable to make a decision. Two of Swords, Two of Wands. You have to make a decision for your life, but you were unable to make a decision, and you were at the crossroads. Okay, but now you're getting success, recognition, victory. Again, Six of Wands is clarified by Six of Wands. Okay, clarified me Five of Swords. Why there is Five of Swords? Please help me out to clarify why there is Five of Swords. Nine of Wands, Knight of Wands, and Queen of Cups. There were some player kind of energy, in and out energy around you, but you were guarding yourself. You were keeping yourself like, I'm ready to fight, I am not going to give up. There were some conflicts around this person. Can you see how this two cards is? You were standing your ground, you were protecting your energy, your defenses were high. Basically, you were protecting yourself against this player kind of energy, in and out energy. Clarify me Ace of Wands. Clarify me Ace of Wands. Who is giving Ace of Wands to Aquarius? Clarify me more Ace of Wands. Four of Wands. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Six of Cups. This is someone from your past, and this is your soulmate. There is Four of Wands which has come out for you. Okay. This is your soulmate, your twin flame. This person is from your past. Someone from your past is trying to give you Ace of Wands, some kind of passionate new beginnings. Clarify me Knight of Pentacle. Bottom of the deck, I'm having King of Pentacles here, and that's the judgment which has been made for you. Again, the judgment is being here. King of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles was you, and here it is the King of Pentacles. This is your divine match, your twin flame. This is Four of Wands, 1111. Okay, that's the judgment which is being made by the divine. Okay, clarify me I'm taking back here. Okay. Clarify me star. Clarify me star. Why there is star? Bottom of the deck, I'm having 3 of cups, 4 of swords, 10 of pentacles, ace of cups, 9 of swords. Okay. You are doing your healing, Aquarius. You want to achieve your 2 of cups. Okay, you are hoping for 2 of cups. And you are doing your soul searching. You are working on yourself. You are doing your inner work. And you are looking your answers from within yourself. You are looking your answers from within yourself. You are asking your soul that what my souls want. Okay. Clarify me 7 of swords. Why there is 7 of swords? Strength. Clarify more. Why there is 7 of swords? Why there is 7 of swords? Too many cards. Too many cards. Okay. No, I'm not going to take it. It is around 8-9 cards. Why there is 7 of swords? Wow. 7 of swords is being clarified by strength, 5 of wands and queen of wands. And here I'm having 7 of swords, 5 of wands and queen of wands. 1717 was the recording reading time. Aquarius, maybe there are some conflicts, drama, fighting around you. Maybe there is a deception, lying, cheating, which is happening for you, but you need to keep your strength. The strength card is here. You need to keep your strength, the strength and the strength. Okay, you need to keep your strength. Do not give up. Keep going. Maybe there are some conflicts which are going for you. There is lying, cheating, manipulation which is happening for you, but you need to keep your strength. Clarify me 5 of wands. Clarify me 5 of wands. King of cups. Clarify me Queen of wands. Clarify me Queen of wands. Why there is Queen of wands? Too many cards again. Too many cards. Too many cards. No. Clarify me Queen of wands. Bottom of the deck, I'm having 3 of swords. Ace of wands, page of wands, king of pentacles. Yeah, I need to confirm whose energy is this, but this is your partner's energy. Okay, fine. So there is someone who's trying to give you passionate new beginning. Again, ace of wands is there. Okay, this is your partner's energy, Aquarius, your divine counterpart energy. Maybe there is some deception, lying, cheating which is going on with you. There is. This is you. This is you. There are some conflicts around you. There is some thing which is around you, and because why there is something around you, why there are conflicts, why there is manipulation, lying, cheating around you, because of this energy, three of swords energy. And that's why you are unable to make a decision. There are two of swords, no, two of wands, sorry, two of wands. Okay, you are at the crossroads. You have to make a decision for your life, but you are unable to make it because of this energy, because of the past hurts, because there were three of swords. Maybe they put you in a third party situation. Your heart was broken many times. Can you see how this girl is screaming a lot? There were four of swords here. You are resting and rejuvenating yourself. I got four of swords for you. Clarify me seven of cups. Why there is seven of cups? Ten of swords, five of pentacles. Ten of swords, five of pentacles. So they put you in a third party situation. They were exploring other options other than you, basically. They were not committed to you, because this is the player kind of energy, in and out energy. So they put you in a third party situation. Because of that, you were completing a cycle. Can you see here? I'm having the World card. Because of the lying and cheating and manipulation and deceptive energy, here the seven of swords is here. There is 10 of swords and 10 of swords, and you're leaving this person or a condition behind. There is five of pentacles here, because they were exploring other options other than you. They were not committed, because you are using your intuitions, and your intuition was saying that they are not committed to you. They are exploring other options than you. Clarify me, Queen of Cups. Clarify me, Queen of Cups. Why there is Queen of Cups? Clarify me, Queen of Cups. Can you clarify me more, a Queen of Cups? See, I just said two of swords before this card clarification. You are unable to make a decision, okay? Four of swords, High Priestess. Again, seven of pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, four of swords and High Priestess. They're coming towards you, Aquarius, at a very slow pace. But you, and what are you doing? And you are doing very right, because you have to heal yourself. So you're resting and rejuvenating yourself from the past things which has happened in your life, and you're using your intuitions here. Right now you are unable to make a decision. You are unable to make a decision. There is someone around you who is trying to give you Ace of Cups, but you are unable to make a decision. There it is, Two of Swords. You are unable to make a decision. Clarify me, Judgment. Clarify me, Judgment. Lovers, Aquarius. You are dealing with your divine counterpart, okay? So just heal yourself. You need to heal. See, you're getting your clarity. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Ace of Swords, Ten of Wands, and the Temperance has come again. You're carrying lots of burden on your shoulder, Temperance, and the Temperance is here. And that's the Judgment for you. You need to keep your patience, and you're releasing all the burdens which you are carrying on your shoulder. There is a Ten of Wands, there is Ten of Swords, both are here. That's why there is a World card. You're releasing all the burdens, all the hurts which you are carrying on your shoulders. Beautiful. Can you see, this is the connection on which the divine is taking care of this connection, basically. That's what I can say, because can you see there is an angel here, there is a divine angel here too. Temperance and lots of light and angel energy, and that's the judgment for you. This is your divine counterpart. Why are you in a hangman situation? Because you are unable to make a decision. You have to make a decision, but because of this past energy, your heart was broken many times here. They put you in a third party situation, and because of this, you are unable to make a decision. You are unable to make a decision because of this past Three of Swords energy. Do your healing, complete your healing, Aquarius. You are feeling like an hangman because of this. You have to make a decision, but you are unable to make it. Right now you are healing, you are doing your resting and rejuvenating yourself. 2626 was the recording reading time, and that's very good. You have to heal yourself. Okay, do your healing, complete your healing. You are dealing with your divine counterpart. Clarify me. What I need to clarify more? Clarify with Temperance. Six of Pentacles. Three of Wands. You are waiting your shifts to come. You want equal amount of give and take. You want to move in a forward direction, but there are some conflicts which are there, which are attached to your life. But some kind of justice has been served in your case. Okay, you're waiting your shifts to come, and you're keeping your temperance here. You want equal amount of give and take in your life. You want balance in your life, basically. Clarify me, Ten of Swords. Why there is Ten of Swords? Seven of Cups, Moon, and Eight of Wands. Eight of Wands, Moon, and Seven of Cups. There were some secrets which was hidden from you, or they were exploring other options other than you, and there is communication which is coming towards you. Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. Okay, there is communication which is coming for you. Okay, either you had already communicated with this person, but lots of communication is coming towards you, and there were some secrets which were hidden from you. There is the Moon here, and there is Seven of Cups. Maybe they are exploring a lot of options other than you. Okay, let me see the advice. What is the advice for Aquarius? You need to heal yourself, Aquarius. You have to heal yourself as soon as possible, because in today's reading I'm feeling, see, you are feeling like an hangman. Why you are feeling like an hangman? Because you have to make a decision. You have to make a decision. Okay, and you are unable to make a decision. There is Two of Swords here. You are unable to make a decision in your life. Why you are unable to make a decision? Because of the past things, because of the heartbreak. But you need to keep your strength and your temperance. Temperance and strength is here. From both of the deck, I'm having temperance, strength, and strength. You need 2929 was the recording reading time. You need to keep your strength, your patience with you. Complete your healing, Aquarius. You need to heal yourself. Either they are exploring some options other than you. Okay, there may be other options. Lot of options are here, or you are having lots of options to explore, and there is some secret which is hidden from you. But this is your divine counterpart here. I'm having King of Swords and Queen of Swords. Both are here. Okay, there is King of Cups and Queen of Cups here. There are three couples here. Okay, there is King of Pentacle and Queen of Pentacle. King of Pentacle and Queen of Pentacle. So this is your divine counterpart, and I'm having the Lovers, the Four of Wands. Both are here, which is trying to tell me that this is your divine counterpart, your soulmate, your twin flame. Okay, you are getting the Sun here. The Sun is here. This is beautiful. Happy new beginnings are coming for you. You're hoping for new beginnings and you're getting it. The Star and the Star, new hopes and new desires are coming for you. There is someone who is rushing towards you, is trying to give you Ace of Cups and Ace of Wands. Here. Ace of Wands, Ace of... See, Ace of Wands, they're igniting your passion. They're giving you lots of emotions. Emotion fulfillment is here. A cup which is overflowing with emotions. But there are some conflicts which are there around you. You need to get out of this energy as soon as possible. Okay? There's some drama, fighting going on. But you will get out of this. Do not worry. There is some lying, cheating, manipulation which is going on. Okay. Use your intuitions. Use your intuitions. There is someone who is coming towards you at a very slow pace. Right now you can't be able to see because they are coming at a very, very slow pace. There is Knight of Pentacle and Knight of Pentacle. And right now you're doing your healing and you're doing correct, Aquarius. You're completing your cycle. And why are you completing your cycle? Because there is 10 of Wands and there is 10 of Swords. There is no 11. So you're completing a cycle, karmic cycle, which you need to complete. Okay. See, you are holding back a lot. Four of Pentacles and Four of Pentacles. Release anything which you are holding on to tightly. You are holding a lot on to something which don't serve your highest good. They're trying to give you very beautiful things. Ace of Pentacle is there. Maybe stability, commitment in your life. Either you are the wish fulfillment for them or they are the wish fulfillment for you. Okay, there is some kind of judgment which is happening for you, and divine is making a judgment for you, and some of your Aquarius can be making a judgment for yourself. That can be a possibility, but you're getting success, recognition, victory. Six of Wands is been clarified by Six of Wands. Here it is. Let's see what is the advice from the divine, from the universe to my lovely Aquarius. What is the advice? Please give me the advice. What is the advice for Aquarius? From the divine, from the universe. Please give me the advice. What is the advice? High Priestess has come again, and today's I can tell you one more thing, that while shuffling also, like while I was doing your pre-shuffling, while meditating also, I was getting High Priestess again and again for you. So your intuition is trying to tell you something, Aquarius. Listen to your intuitions, okay? You are very much highly guided by your intuitions. So use your intuitions. Any other advice? Three of Swords. What is the advice? Please help me out to give the advice for Aquarius. Three of Swords, Five of Wands and Two of Wands. Again. Yes, there are some conflicts, drama, fighting going on. There is three of swords here. Maybe in the past your heart was broken, but right now you have to make a decision. Two of wands is here. You are at the crossroads and you have to make a decision. This is a three of swords energy. Maybe in the past they put you in a third party situation, or you were involved in a third party situation. Okay, they broke your heart. Can you see how this heart has been broken? All swords are here in the heart. Okay, but you have to make a decision. You have to make a decision for yourself, Aquarius. Please clarify, give me advice more. Any other advice? See the sun. The sun is here again. There are new happy beginnings which are coming for you, Aquarius. There are new happy beginnings in your life, in your love life, in everything. There is a new beginning. The sun and the sun and the sun. There are three suns which are coming for you from three decks, and divine is trying to give you that. Okay, the sun are here, the new beginnings are here. You just have to make a decision. You are at the crossroads and you have to make a decision, Aquarius. I know in the past there were some three of swords energy, there were some conflicts, drama again, but you have to make a decision for yourself. Any other message? Queen of swords. Queen of swords is here. You know that truth. You know that truth. Five of Pentacles. Any other advice? Any other advice for Aquarius? Five of Pentacles, Princess of Swords, and Four of Swords. You in the past, again the Four of Swords has here. Four of Swords, Five of Pentacles. You left or a person or a condition or a situation in the past. Okay, now you are doing your healing. You're resting and rejuvenating yourself. Okay, but Aquarius, and you are manifesting something. You have lots of options to choose maybe, but you are manifesting something here. The Magician is here. You are resting and rejuvenating yourself from the person, from the past. Maybe you left a person or a situation or a condition behind. Okay, there is a Five of Pentacles here, and you know this truth that the sun is here. You know what is right for you. You have the clarity. This is not that you don't have any kind of clarity right now. You're just resting and rejuvenating yourself, but you have to make a, see, don't be in hang, woman. Hangman and Five of Swords. Bottom of the deck, I'm having King of Swords, Hierophant, Nine of Cups. Again, you're feeling like an hangman. Maybe there are some conflicts around you with this person. The King of Swords, again, this is your pair. The King of Swords and Queen of Swords. The Hierophant and Nine of Cups. Either this is your wish fulfillment, or this is you are the wish fulfillment for them. And Hierophant is here. Either you are married to this person, or you are going to get married to this person, because this is your divine counterpart. Here I'm having King of Swords and Queen of Swords both here again. So that's the advice for you from the divine. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful advice to my lovely Aquarius. That was the extended love reading. You have to heal yourself, Aquarius. You have to rest and rejuvenate you, and which you are already doing it. And do not hold back a lot. And you are making, the sun is here, the new beginnings are here for you. That was the message for you which I'm getting for today's reading. Sending you lots of love and light to every Aquarius all over the world. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.